Ghana. Featuring Minister Igwe Kroko. Afeti. Oh, Minister Igwe ne part one it no me pe enyom ne lyrics ni nyina na maseda kosuato. What? We are zira ba. Anyways, my mom, good afternoon. I'm Samuel Akwaba. I'm now Ofie Kwanso radio so Adom 106.3 FM. For today, Wednesday, the 17th of February 2021. When say Wednesdays be the abroche from the abroche from what to say chechamo. And I'm saying a bit more lockdown, a bit more partial lockdown in the other day, you know. I said bogus I'm ready. That me pacho and na utie me a mame tonka your boga mame tonka mame hu se ho say wie mu ehu wonte onyanku bi nka na bia na wa fan bag em pese be ba ne sa eti bogus ni na mame nka yes 0302216561 0302216562 yes 0302216561 0302216562. Well, few abroche phones I am a born number na I na speed wumtino. Anyway, the more I'm was na men come abroche phone 0302216561 and now 0302216562. Patrol when numbers are betting me and Fraba Jumedizo, but only for Yenuanwa ewo amanone. We say Wednesdays and I reserve the Mabruchi for no. It's more mutia show ya more US, more UK and import them, more any of the European countries, more Asia, more Australia, more Middle East import them ho. More any of the African countries. Abusia ebrenini se mobetimi aba Jumedi no eso. Mon friend am me ntim nka de ofra ma me hu country kono city kono ofre free so no you know what I'm saying ne hu se mo ho ye cause say wie mu nye now ansane e be sha se fabroche for no course no we share time now to me say videos of our time e bre na so e patro join me on Facebook na ene videos of our time by Kind Ketsi JK Company Limited ya wo mayen stationary products p na osan sole distributors at the Nataraj product our Ghana han or madam and normal franca yeah they bro a patrol join me on Facebook this year yeah moment be Facebook no mami share and now video now me person show on Facebook no in as much as I want you to go to Facebook and watch that video tie we you be a unia kukudura. Don't go there and watch it. Me nada say na fi ko hwe aka say Jerry wa ma me hwan bibi dabi. If you don't have the heart to see this video, please, though I want you to join me on Facebook to watch it, but if you don't have that heart, I will bet me there gina niema bia ehu a. Don't go there and watch. Odi etie me na me nchirechire mu nchire omum. So utie baby on the internet and utie on the radio. Odi etie me explanation and na say me nchirechire mu na me de be ma about the video no. But say ususu say balls. That heart. You have what it takes. So betimi ahwe ade bia enye disturbing. Aye disturbing bia betimi ahwe ni na. Ene mpatro kwan da ho. Obetimi join me on Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Never share any video now. Videos of our time. Ye edi amawo. Once again, let me repeat. A very disturbing video. Na me ankasa kra no. Ene kra wan hwe okay there. E say we time wum kakra. Senke ade pass time wan so me koda pa ne sa video we amahwe ya. Ke be yese metimi ada. Video no eye hu. Na de say de me ho aye me na ansa na mabetena ha na me ne wo kasa no. Me pese ebi a ba bi a wote ebi a wonko na woda. Ana ebi kura wo area mu na wote no. Ade a ba behwe yi aya wote hu susu aso kakra ne ade na ebeko ha wadwen. Afi woda na ejirejira wani so. Me pacho. Uni akoma men ko Facebook won ko hwe video no. Hwe na wan kase man kan show medikan abo kokko. Say uni akoma a nioma bi hadwen saa no ubetimi e de ahwa men ha ho ko Facebook won ko hwe ba wo de wo no ye za o chale hwi ntimi me a pacho be join me on Facebook Adom 106.3 FM na ehwe video na me yi a kire wo no hadwen now ye boy video no mu mo amuni access to Facebook and amuni akoma on betimi akohwe no mo ma me kwan na fe me mbonwura mo adwen mu na me ncheche video no enkyerem na mo so amo akoma on betimi ahwe no Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook mo nko na mo nkohwe now video no tie empepi yes e free bibi pets ya kasa obia wo na nyemwa anani gye ne ho a wotimi fa no ene ne tra ne fie me kai pa those days ne susua ena wo South Odoko ye fie na ye wo parrot e wo fie wo de batwi mu e fe no ako ba ye parrot no ya nya di bia amfa ntono edi ane ya de fe no fie akokofi ne e fe na akokofi na aboa we on sa akon parrot na no ye fie ono yen kola na na ye stubborn fie ne de onimo bia din because ye mu bi every now and then ye bo ye din enti ye bo udin sa na akon wate udin enti mimi se akon of frame sa na boy back we atokwa amina on to abeti atokwa amina akon timi friend na atokwa amina jesu onimi so obi dey friends o na akuya na ye ni gine ho pa obia won pet and ni gine ho obi dey ene kraman. In some places, if you mess with somebody's dog, massa, you've messed with the person and they will deal with you. Obi dey a cat, pussycat. Oko baby a Arab for no potom wo say, me makosi kani bi fia ono ne de ne ayi okode. Won sa anoma kese bi ene pet. Otimi gya anoma no de ni sibi sa so enu agya na anoma na tu akọ obetu akọ kromo akọ chinchin obesamba back abafie obia woni de na no adam te yesi akobi odi jata ba na wonye na odi so de to boss na onyia you see something tie enkrofo bebre etimi kofa moa bia etimi sa boa we de kan first sa kodo ne ye pet enso wose ne pet no afebe wiase no na ayen sempi. I want us to share this video. Na yen fan to yehofo. Na yen very careful as to the animals and emwa. Ye fam say ye de omo ye anyemwa ana ye de omo ye pet ene omo atena we fie. Unim say Ghana ha. Ye woni pa bi no ho no a. Omo fie obekọ no. Kotre pa wa ye cage man wa. E woni dem ni living room. Or say any pet. Ghana, yes, I'm telling you. When you say Ghana, baby, you are the corner, or be one or say, or what a pet. Now, we and say, and their sakawai for be, yes, or one done a cromwa. Say, I know a fish Ghana man who's a leon. Say, no be a mouth for a no more found some pet on pet and so, and also say, as a move. And the video now, me actually, no. A rabia. ɔte ne fie fɛfɛɛfɛ kama na why not dress so befa pet and natna pussycat bebre wo se da bi enkrama bebre nam ho o se da bi won pe aboa wa fa ne so de ne ye ne pet eye owo obroni se snake ganu ba ke onufu wa fa owo se ono no de na ye ne pet e no ne owo no ete e wo ne dem ho. Mind you, medical man warning say, Uni akuma, man join me on Facebook and share video. Me the video network. Nemomuno. Uni akuma, don't watch it. Now, I want ya or fear be kekena mamene de aye ne pet. I want so. Ni mo dupa na I want wa ye. What things I want mu tintin na ne to a me kwaku am gire I want watch me. Na maame na ba woni nche no ne woni di nkomo what to say I don't pay what did woni woni use skills and woni so aye ne corner stiff bi say ya na no so abusia check out the video jeko pia video no wa woni akoma enkohwe o me sewada na me te ayi de me ho ye me amede te ano because aboa me suro no mi wiase na. I have said it before on this very program. Say me. Owo be kam ya mama wudie. Anka mi hie jata no nwem na mu se jata de ma ho de mi ntimi no. Na wa homa homan. O mekumi no way. Look at it, right? Oso ya no ko bie owo no enti wa bie e no wo no so yiri ti ba ya obe manache. E ho ape no wo yi e de ma mi so say how. O ka no. Afen no bi ode ne pet ode ne owo wo de hwe look at the video afen na sani kuro sani nua ba ma ba ne nchen e na wa be so mu na oboa ne yire no se so ni nua ba no na wadi owo na o kan na fi ne nsa owo no so de ne tie ne sie tim wo de de se wonyi ne se efiri ho e na fe wa coile ye ka se aboa coile afa ho a owo no wa bo ne ho round de akekere ma me ne nsa owo no yen kwala wo sa abusua you need to see this video so wa koma nko ade a wabi bare maame ne nsan wo denden ama ya why owon fi maame ne nsan wo enye yie ena fe gidigidi omu yi ni fi ne cage so ne dan na odam nu e de ne ba abonte se de be on betimi aya no mo yi na fi maame ne nsan ho omu ye so omu yi no na ne nan na si fom no wasan de ne body na aka no akekere maame ne nan no stiff asan aka maame we bre enti maame na ka ho ogye ne ho fi owon ho enye yie ena baby ode ne sin asi won ne san na wo kana no ahya ase na apromoja and the woman is bleeding unse moja etu na me no owon so se onyaa no ena ne se no etai ho Jesus Christ hwe de me ho ya me wakonua so hwe moja epra ma me no look at blood now unse yam pese on social media be ha dwenti hwe ya makala no afim kakra se de unhu moja kokko no hwe se de moja epra ma me no. Look at it. Look. Jesus. Enti afede on sa de abofo dade bi aya kro no ne sa. Aya otai hwe National Geographic channel ya. Omo kwakekere owa. Omo de sa de ne hye opa na o de aloke o woni ti no. Enu bi na fe omo akofa ba. Ana omo de ahye ho. Ana omo timi de awai maame no. Your friend saying woni ti no baby o de kama me no omotimi a wire fio said the bear ma me be free and the woman is bleeding moja hwe wo kakraka we etu de abo kakraka we abeto dem se pet say de yin why e de na oje owi ase o woni mu du hwe abo kakraka ti say goodness no way sele fa bo we nkwa me pet ne ba ketekete kura wadi just a day I won't accept. Show what kakraka to say ye. No, anti pet and I again. And if you don't have a pet, are you going to die? And Crawford and Yang crown my crash with the mammy cannibal corner on Ryan on 10 Yambote. That Lumba. Lumba or crown may be on the Cramani of fire and the Aria Fide. Dano Cramay Yak who Wakadi and Za. A yen now we are Abeku Santana, San no din baby. Ne krama ba ko bi me kai pa those days. Krama ni really sama ya di pio because Abeku sa. Ono ane kraman yo. Ani bu fitiwe mami, ono aso ne owo. Oh, ono ane owo. Ah, why ne pet? Ene ne hwe de owo ndi no. Wa sorry ba be manachi. O de hwese de odi anije ebie owo ne dan no so no we. Obi oso boko ore ne hello. Oh, how are you? She. And I want to pay any tiba ya no so be manager and what you take my no dey sin sound cow. For we inquire me pet. For what reason? Abusia, let us be careful. You share video ni but aya yen say bibi film. Ade bi wo hono mu a wan kofa meto so obi an kofa wan koye we sa na ye den. Enti pet na ye den. Eye video na gusu da ho uyo obi a wa akoma betimi akohwe a mepacho kohwe uni akoma enkohwe na akire wa betwa mpo na gye na de wa ma mekohwe akoma mepacho. If you can't stand it, don't go and watch it. And yes, I'm a person who kohwe ntino no ma yire me ho na da bi untimi a men konkohwe mesre wada omo wa akoma no mo nkohwe. Ye first was that my proud sponsors JK Company Limited, sole distributors Edman Nataraj products Ghana. And they Nataraj pens, pencils, pencil cases, crayons, mat sets, and they can count. No, bra, na ebejo dear. One so did that form come pa. Sound so, and I want JK exercise books, JK 5-star A4, and then A3 papers. Yeah, no so. Ubetimi abeji be a wonder from pa. Ubehu Shakwa on number 60 Otublohun Street, close to Christ Embassy. On North Industrial Area, one cry. Ubetimi afra na wa send WhatsApp. Edi afa 0540 125 999. 0540 125 999. Na yedim komo kama pa. Uguswa uti Adom 106.3 FM. Yes, Ghana's #1 radio station. Once again, Wilmina, Fishing Minister Igwe, Kokroko, Shobaba, Zewawa, Aba, Zewawa. After broche for Mama Mintimunko, Mama Europe, UK, US, Australia for Asia for Middle East for Mommy Timonko when we some hoya what is it? Yeah baba Zewawa Jesus the do and they come from a floral disposable handkerchief and fan normal cotton handkerchief in show bottom. You are about 1 week that the same handkerchief in the show bottom, maybe I the cosa on him go on the pepana no the panels and all the day. They say Ariaba use floral disposable handkerchief. We are disposing of kama. Yana ketwa krokwa. So baby to me fit into your pocket, your purse, or your handbag easily. Nebo also enye densa eda phone boko e available krum baby a do drop no Fred Delta Paper Mill Limited e was 0243 033 033 na do bia hia bia ne fan so mo afa Dominion about powder edra eboa wo multi build a strong immune system. Yep, a sign boama and normalize of blood pressure. Wow, heart or kidney related problem. A year for your diabetes, no stroke, na pamono. We are Jumaki to be out your brain with you. What possible baby? I Dominion about powder be do a catch them all. The patron can have the other when it's him and I'm watching herbal. Harlow's herbal, King's Walk herbal, Nina or Kanshi drug lane bio. Little George Health Shop or Tema Community 5. A fair patch ventures on Subenia bio. And yes, our friend Angel Dominion Bar Center 0543 158 195 and our free 020 429 6449. Dominion about powder, your #1 immune booster. Alright, 0302216561 0302216562.
My God is so marvelous.
Yenu mo ama no moment monka ne hu se mo hoye wo fra me hu city kwa free so any country kwa free so na hu se ampa mo so mo hoye we na ya boy if I trust to say AGI and a Ghana Standards Authority akabum introduce the Obasima seal if I trust we a special sealer yeah they bought food product ahodo ho it will come market now cut food product I share the Obasima seal no one no what no when say Obasima seal no food product be ho it means that some food products no contain 18 essential vitamins and minerals. Good for everyone, especially women. Choose Obasima, stay healthy, stay strong. If I try and the banner say, yeah, more Quenya Mount said to me, I can add the new Samsung Galaxy S21 series CD. Now, what me saying, ya chedia the account. It's Bomodian Sober Kakotobi. Now, it's me a free phone cover. Galaxy Buds Pro or Live. The most talked about Galaxy Smart Tag. Free screen replacement from accidental damage. Any Achedia Audio Pina, they touch the amount. Mansanka phone EB. Built to embrace the future with 5G. And it's a revolutionary camera with up to 108 megapixels of super high resolution. It may capture unforgettable moments. Mansan there. Nation also say gift must be claimed on Samsung members. Terms and conditions apply. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Brad Jali.
Me patro your first saying now kasa free here.
Patro me did Steven. Me kasa free Liverpool.
Okay. Now just say you can send me again. Now the hope will call there.
Wow. Wow nim. Enye boko sa nso nyame adom. Ye kokura mu sa. Dale na mbeda nyame asiafa wono se 2 weeks ni boy ba kwa amane te na unya positive. Inti manfa no use sa adwuma mu amu no e sa no pa bia ansa na mbewuro adwuma no mu na se mo run test no for 10 days. So the Yamiado Yamuko Musa 10 days new. I my nephew.
Wow.
Boy, no so Yamiado Cia, so no so or recover because a woman still on Tracy, Mount Hospital Hospital Crump for the whole crump by a voice.
Wow.
I'm funny this, and I am massive.
All right. Mini I ask Shabushi for me to know from CY.
But that's it. Which I'm a paying or Bama camp. I found Anthony Homia. Basano, that be our friend, and Tiano. All right. Michelle be answer.
All right, yes, I say. You better ask Emmanuel Asante on Facebook says, good afternoon, Jerry. Today is my wife's birthday. Her name is Irene Asante. And I want to tell her that may God add to her new age with wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. Okay, I'm offering it to us. Hello. Yes, good afternoon. Patrick Frost and Akasa Free.
That's your friend Freddy Yankee.
Your first say?
Freddy Yankee.
Ukasa Free.
Also for Germany.
Great. Germany for now.
I come on Westerland.
All right. Okay, yo, Yentiewe.
me pray Majuma Mudi no in training manager hopa. Me tell you but this is the first time I miss my prayer.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's pa.
Me tell you especially I alligated. Me tea papa and me tea come over them manager.
Yeah, that's it.
Dem munya botrema no so kakra.
You what?
Oh, no prayer munya botrema no.
Okay. Ono angasa nya botrema no opani ha.
Munya botrema. Munya misha mo manya me da masefa.
Okay, you. Yes, you that's it. All right. Ya wo so ho ye die mpa church abusuafo mienu na phone si why?
Me chia me yere e Malawi. O tema komite 3. Bichia busuafo nyina wo mo ma nkrofo.
Okay.
Yamishi ompa because some bomb do do so through the busuafo no mu komo.
All right.
Yamishi mo papa.
O sha so be ma, nyame kan ho. Abusha say the aba obi aka ho asem wo kro yi mu. E royal drinks. No kro ni onim se kasa prekofo de de ba no de aba. And the royal apple, royal cola, royal orange, and a royal cocktail. We any perfect flavors now unya no. So go on and feel the magic in your life for abra one my royal drinks. Royal drinks, I say you go like how. Ubenya bia to kro ba bia 250 pesos per. And yes, I know for 0262 351 251 and 0272 133 373. Hello, good afternoon.
Fine, you got hey, sorry. Good afternoon.
Felix, you best study our man's wati.
No man study.
Yo, okay, you tewe.
Yo,
me too, me
ah, nyame adom. Dia boko na dia tia dia tia. Kwa na ekoso. Ayari anga se ojo won won ti ase.
Asemo.
Nyame na e bo no mpa ese. Obehwe yan so.
Ebe nyame ti ase.
Bibia boko.
Nyame ti ase. Bibia be fine, wati.
Yo say dia this year the full of dia man so.
Na be na ba so kra me nko. Uti kwa bu na metetema. Me nko ba bia. Say on person ya kwa de na je en virtual obi a hye dem ne. Asa ewiemu ewu ye akwa do mi fancy ya
nkwa de
o jai o be tia ela na enko wa na de
what the guy tell you that do there Bisia no wa Mrs. Sokoli.
Okay.
Eke awuti na Papa Jomo from 7.
All right.
Let me chill be also. All right.
Okay.
I promise not do me.
All right. Felix said that's it. And only H3. Next caller, hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jerry.
To say you.
Yami Adumo.
Now, Pacho, your first and I can say free.
Pacho, your friend Yusuf. Because of no way, Stavanger.
Okay, you'll tear the ordinary way.
Yo, Jerry, the other time say, I'm fast with that man, Radis, Adia, Ambaya, any Awamanani. Consuniente, Nazy, M.I.A. Nti, Fane say, Yen Yamiasi. Also, in your book, sir. Ma, a new man in our swire, Bassa, and so, because oh dear, who are on Quan Yamiasi. Yamopa. Mammy, Falcon, Chia, me, mammy, Auntie Grace. Oh, the color pass now. Odini Juma Opala Square. Any offense of Funia, any former sister Barbara, no NDC, deputy minister. No, my meso offense of Jeremy Chiamopa, Yachi, dear mammy, and I'm for you, Ofie Kwanso.
On Betty. I say, Nyame enka ho. Next caller, hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Patrick Frost and Naka Sefri.
From O2 Uniba, Trashville.
O2 then.
O2 Joseph. From Pretty Trashville.
And I say, a castle in Cote d'Ivoire.
Yes.
Okay, now our situation it is saying.
Oh, Yamiadun Kakaka.
Yanyame ase yo okay yanyahu se kodiwa de yeda beda na ni nyina mu no ne ye mo akonya na wo atimi ache abusuafo be mienu bi wa
yo abusuafo ko fan fruit ata Juliana Kwanso sa kode Apo Patrick ni anu miniamo otufu ina yo na wanna way Winnipeg shoe factory Michelle.
All right Omuna Ejoso. Yes, that was a power for your call. Next one, you're funny here. Last one, a break. Hello. Yes, good afternoon. What you saying?
Roger, me sorry for young people.
Hey, Paco. Hey, Paco. Now, Bibiamo called there.
Oh, yeah, me out to Boko.
Me too, catch it.
Papa. Maybe I'll be kind. You low key.
Yeah.
Yeah, your time again.
Now, what situation it to say?
Oh, so yeah, I said, there was a time there, COVID.
Someone Muso.
Second, I'm saying, I have been, I had no control again.
Oh, okay.
I'm saying, what's the ask for? You don't do this. So, protocols, I don't follow. There's a way very way am.
Okay.
This is I can see sense of none a year train.
Ebe Yametias, Bibia Bear come up. Etienne, Chabushan phone and I am fancy.
I mean, this is Bogabaco. Never said chia me and jacket and I was Papa Bills.
Okay.
I will find Mr. Living. Makumono. Biafun come out bright, Jerry. Hey, bright, Jerry. You're back.
Martin Parko, Yamekao. Aye. I was trying interview for Fredia the reference here. Yami Adman next week Wednesday. The best Sunday, Akonya Nama Bruchi for now. What me after by Jimmy so. Lemon Patrol TV and channel so. And then Go TV say, "Oma special offer pa. If you sabi akopeme the 31st of March." And they Sikakuma bi na wutu obetime ma saka Go TV Max for a discounted price of 60 Ghana cedis. Now when you hear enjoyment that lasts longer. We are talking about mouth-watering local dramas on Rock GH, African Magic, Spicy Hot telenovelas and FIA Star Life. Now for international series I would want Bano soccer no money. Sports I would want na kana ni na so edwagu sports channels I would want ni na so. Na mo fan so entertain you home. Our kiss channels I would want so. Na ban movies so dey any action. Blockbuster movies ni ade nyina say edwagu any. Eti bomodi answer be connected. Wabra use my Go TV app. Pay by the agent and now say send the SMS they call 1731. Go TV, love it. Check with our time now 9 minutes after 4 on Ghana's #1 radio station. Adom with 106.3 sound power. A patch of coronavirus eguso around. Yes, a new crowd you see Ebola Zaman hoso ne ade Dino and yes, Ghana do but baby and namano. Ubesa na a likely you know we need to be very careful. I see a home yepa. Nina Muno, Goyle say and can't say or fuel stations need now. We are safe, BBI come up. And they will wash on side with soap and the running water. You provide way service stations need more across the country. Now if you will keep a minimum distance of 1.5 meters with other customers and our fuel attendants as well. Se obebo wa na obesnizi and we use tissue they cover and now one we and we're disposing off into a bin immediately. If you are not in a position to wash your hands, I so be use alcohol-based hand sanitizer CB and also be boapa. Then we recommend say a bear anka use your go card no. Oh, electronic payment card no. Now wait me minimize the cash transactions. Now face mask no so they make sure so be public place be so timi share. What you say? Go ahead. Yeah there. MTS also am cost more money from the 2nd of April 2021. Abribi abeko momo agent point be as a perform a transaction. You be required to present a valid national ID card. And yes, sir, that transaction will mean you're successful. Yeah, your way to protect you. Say by I'll be to me cost receive cash. 100 transactions in a safe and secure manner. That is why we're good together. Just momo it everywhere you go. My catch order that, but my message remind you be quickly now. Kobe atna see there. Yene ending komo kakra. Me patrol the new Samsung Galaxy S21 series na bano. Phone here guy pa. And they are more akwenya say toss our phone be a bit me asan agye achede de attach. Yeah, no bit me free phone cover Galaxy Buds Pro or Live. For the most talked about Galaxy Smart Tag. No so bit me out there na face so a free screen replacement from accidental damage. Any actually pia attach tibo modern mount sanka the new Samsung Galaxy S21 series EB. Now so bit me actually can't wait to see gifts must be claimed on Samsung members. Terms and conditions apply. Kobe.
Gradually.
To say. When you are transiting, not just head there, Bibisu. Now, a day nation this time round.
You gradually, my member, a queen, you know, Minchia, a Tiffany.
A Tiffany, Joseph.
The Wokoda, Adom, I think I see one.
Sure.
In the Mabaya, I mean, I will need you more was it out to you. Our friend in summer.
And then I is saying,
I mean, I will need you more to you. Yes, you buy on earth talent.
Yeah.
Now, Yamagana, in your Abeca, you could die here. I'm easy there. Will be hanging by a drink there. More corner. Name your susu.
Yeah.
And see, yes, or you buy a on one some ever came. In summer, baby, you drew no. Marjorie, yes, you ma. My friend, one we had them in the sense that yes, your previous ones now, you know, Swabana, you know, was one level, no one's bay. Never be you do know, ya every time work at 6. It's a good year for finance. Now, Kofroka Kade, I've been to you call, I've been to you call, I've been to you call. But me just there's a be fun phone.
Eviction air cost no.
Obia, where be to be a no Kofro for Friday, I've been to you call.
Yeah,
tell me you quite.
Yeah.
Never pay them this on there.
Say I move mom. I move you.
Now sometimes I boy now. What come where no or Jibufu, but
yeah.
The best uncle for the one coda won't vote moment. Now in summer so yet where young computer and uncle on what a team of Raman.
Yeah.
My good musicians. And yet there will just be some people over for Mike and want to be out in the Mafoya be over my canna. What can Mike and so good over now? No way, but actually, from where you're children as the other know yet.
Yeah.
Mic positioning, how to handle the mic. Most man, when they want to scream, most over to mic.
Yeah.
I am one because my friend wants to.
They are good at it. Say training and worship.
It's a mess of Biara. Short code is so simple. Star 711 star 60 hash. Obiara vote to my one. So when I work at Richmond, aka Abrante, so I knew favorite.
Or a showman, yeah.
Gomado, another showboy.
Yeah.
Votiman, Belinda, another super girl.
Odeshi.
Janice
is a fantastic performer.
Challenge.
Yeah.
Truth.
Serious. True to Fury.
Another superb.
Yeah.
And Alice. These are very good raw talent. You try even why big stars for Ghana. But you can't vote Mobi. Now make sure that you
sure.
So that baby be saying there. Now I've been to the Yukon. Yes, so and so my opado could see the beer
5 p.m. sharp.
5 p.m. sharp. There's a bro. Everybody who TV no what about the montage now about the budget and you know do so something. Now more coming now we
Yeah.
Your band be so I can blame the Whitechapel band.
Yeah. Solid.
Can't go wrong.
Solid.
Solid. Your judges couldn't dumb phobia me so. Kwabna kwabwa no ni akoso Japan. Super. Now yes someone obiara or make sure that them time no alternative on share. Oh baby yeah just who come to Facebook live. Na share maybe obiara enjoy it. Na ya Ghana music Ghana nyom wakonenyim. Nsi abakacha on mabahanda masamani there. One share instrument no one contribute one bo Ghana nyom monkonenyim.
Okay. All right. That's Kobe. The na yakoswa kan for voting they are very very necessary. Star 711 star 60 hash. Now I follow prompt now network be used to be a jogu man kola. That's the only way you can keep them in the competition. Yes, I know one vote here my favorite one when you vote near evicting about so I know we have there be you be in the film one vote here man. Sana and Kobe that's it. That's it. All right. Also till 106.3 Adom FM and pretty soon yeah they anyway okay well share and now somewhere did to your for quickly now yeah they no atwaso na yakoye nim. That's what it is. Hey. 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 A patrol color party so basso den nyame Adom ubetimi adi achede kese pa de afisa adwumadi we emu na ne pompon so na nkasa ne beba so on the 27th of March 2021 ne mo afisa be ku ya no otese ebo hu dawura tie ne ye ne fa hu jimbi kala na o rep ne ye de onim fa Adom FM hu bia no kaka wadwen fa hu ye de ye bia tie ne ye isa say questions bebre betimi ababam na otimi ansa ene achede de bebre buburuja obefa bi de akofie what I say activities be now so because so bibi to say pick a nut near there we know a virtual session here baby you the bebo room here pick a nut near there debate me akoko so singing and rap competitions near there quiz near there can home just say weekly prices be where no so bet me there and sana the ultimate one and cause they are shares on the 27th of March yeah no share so their mind open so rapid green color no just on some bedroom na fe kusi saying squad no and a white no so yeah entertainment shows work and happiness Ofie Kwanso and a fe memen that's so cool you know what I'm saying I feel orange no so for religious and non-entertainment weekend shows no na fe black color no for the online for no and a social and new media team no yes omo dey aso omo dey and a blue color no so for sports ladies time sports night ultimate sport ni na so etatemu I feel so no red color no burning issues anopa kase news and of current affairs it this year colors are there ni red blue black orange white and green these are the colors for Adom Color Party 2021 Tiana watching so Adom 106.3 FM yeah top Asempa 94.7 FM all talk all day Adom TV yeah wazoye that's what it is y'all. Okay, so yeah, Baba share asemwa ye de etuonfo ene area yi e wo Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. You win sa pe says Scott atnase na says Scott atnase sa na so say around the world in 5 minutes. What the brain. Enti ensema hodo ni na no obi wasum na watiti ni na e wa ha. Na bibia so etimi akoyi e dia mawo. Enti yehwe ene asemo ayede etu ehofo na ewi ni sapa ye ma se Scott nso monwem na yemfa around the world in 5 minutes and twice so. Okay, so and me no cha sembi e kuma bi o kire nyame ya adom e beto so. That's Thursday, and then Friday na ya wie no kra. Me no e kasa under the theme challenges and lessons. Challenges and lessons. Enti ye befa first part na second part na ye befa no china. Na nyame ya adom no the Friday so dom yen ya. Na the concluding part no. And so ato anim. All right. So and then na ye hwe no under challenges and lessons. Or say be determined to succeed in life no matter the circumstances under which you find yourself. Tio eseso utimi sing kete say obrana wo bono ubedi nkunim emfa ho ene de wo fam emfa ho ene baabi ahye emfa ho ene de wonamu emfa ho ene tibia wom sisi unim say enipa bebre wo hono mo a omo ntimi enkom ani wo abrabo mu just because omo ankasa agya tum say me de abrabo no say ya na me boy de esese tum ya na atumi de de esese me dua na madui ye ka defo a ebi ni mfie ye de efie de onya ya enti ono ankasa agya tum hu say level na wadu na no anro ntimi nko nanimu biem wanya agya tum ne de sa na be ye de amount. But if you are well determined say Debbie, this is my background, this is where I'm coming from, it is not so good, but as a semitimi moving on to the next level in life. Now the sabo tiny su and iswa abusuya, with hard work you can get there. It takes somebody who is well determined. Say adiwe betimi ye me yamana ye eno betimi ya ade na pam ama ye but the ono agya tum say ade na nye ye ba bi adum de asi no ehwa so na besi di ama no. We need the first part na ye hwe no. Also be determined to succeed in life no matter the circumstances under which you find yourself. Maybe your situation might be very terrible, very bad. Ye ka mo betimi adi ye wa asetena mu a enya ba bi a wo free no. What I say? But once I was seeing kete we see when you say come what may, you need to survive, you need to succeed. No, definitely you succeed. Yare ba ko betimi abonipa niunu the same yare na faton chen the strength of their immune system. But obako betimi a well determined said no say yare we dey yare na me mane kumida e kwa bia so esem timi me hutimi tomi. Yep, the same adron be mom, but obako so hwe ba bia adun yare we na ene ma wu awie ene wa accept say wa wu awie nti ampa no na wa boto panifon so nya nti ase say your immune system ya de ba ko etimi me ye weak pa ye hu so we need gidi we need sa akukuduro no say obetimi survive no ampa na ye ho sa tu be na to no ko na de onya gidi o sinkete o ye well determined say na ho beto no ampa be na ne ho ato no etifasho otimu yi na men kasa keke kwa mejeje niam bia enye bia ntum sa say wo de sa. Be determined to succeed in life no matter the circumstances under which you find yourself. Nyame ya adom ochna ye the second part ne beba na osan dom ye na Friday betwen ya na concluding part no ye de abro adaro mo ebo ya mi tie sa asem ye form aseda mom tel na fie say Scott enwangu man patrol door master and Pubiman paint depot and one assembly and okay and they yes beje a 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German and Italian technology. Over 100 designs and colors to choose from. You endorse your more sort to be exterior steel security doors, internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors, any kind of door be Oba paint your famua and they your partner with news paint. Yeah, you then share good Kwanso. Your Euro standard paint team. You then more mouthful. From acrylic to emulsion, enamel to road marking paint, marine coatings, waterproofing, dampproofing, wallpaper, wall primers, potty near fence where you paint accessories ni nano. OJ FE and chain. And she say, "Dear Barney, your friend, paint now, pay later." The answer be by a swear and no bet paint up near the amount. Fako painty, Odano. Schools, offices, government institutions, churches, individuals, real estate developers. Mun now mejibi. Who painted dani we are near spread the economy of Tritrian kakra with no interest. on period happen there. Ube door master and Pubiman paint depot Chiaquine. Away Pubiman on the Accra Kumasi Highway. Uja Pubiman toll booth wa when you to your shop no. Phrase 0542 745 222. A phrase 050 021 2447. Na ya Joe. So as they don't come MTN, yeah, ne Adaroma. Or no so Eka Chen say or person boy home from the 2nd of April. The SWA say Abibia Beko Momo agent point be a soccer performing a year transactional so to me a show a valid national ID card and sana sa transactional etimi akoso de amount. Yeah, way at the above one home buying wakoso receive you cash what performing transactions now in a safe and secure way. That's why we go together. Just Momo it everywhere you go. Finally, Time Herbal Center. Am I a Time Herbal mixture for the treatment of malaria fever? Simple. A malaria natural quadia, the edge of one, a Time Herbal mixture. Yana when you are to now, Honam Young Tinkitibina, Zimuzi, a Bessedu Akajinamu, appetite in the bar, Budidi, Bashisha, Obekama. Now, Faye. Honamna, Yoya Nisisu, and the amount Saka K&G about capsules Libya, for general well being, Bibia Bekuyama. King's Walk About, Repatch Ventures, Ray Jones, and a Zidos about Nina or Kanshi Drug Lane, Ubinabio, Ekus Pharmacy, By Class, Larry, and a few Dama Pharmacy, Ninda Answa Shaman, Ubinabio, Tribe of Judah or Kaswa, Pharma Trust, Wager Junction. Yes, our phrase 0244 417 669. Now the do be on Yabian, young Fansom. You don't want to some so as me tea. As somewhere did you on for a day. Yame had more cha, a bet to us. Never says here, baby, I do there. Around the world in 5 minutes with Sir Scott. Yeah, baba. Sir Scott.
Jerry.
Joe Bibia Boko there.
Yakani. It's been kind of every.
Bibia Benfire is
it's been kind of every.
Okay, Akwaba.
Yeah, right.
Now, and then Echo.
Jerry. And then I saw me Bumiwa.
Oh, are they?
It's not sensible. Me back and I know.
Over to bomb.
Aye.
He is a Scott.
Oh, Brother, you shall win him. I am never percent. And man, almost noticing near maybe. Now, Beman is noticing near me.
Okay.
Brother, you shall. To say we your bar, oh, power, oh, Bearman, who can you fear? Nasa a mattress at the form one. Oh, you're ready for our year.
Oh, say, Bearman, the mattress.
I'm a mattress at that form.
By a phone be there, do.
Was it?
A phone be there, the Panzo.
So, but me make according to research. Brother Rooney, baby.
Yeah.
We use money to buy expensive clothes and all that. But when say my research, you say the best moment in our life is enjoyed without clothes.
The best moment in our life.
Yes, it's enjoyed without clothes.
Naked now, da.
Yeah, disika. Eton tari ani ade.
Yeah.
Then so abrabu ya yebo. Hey, eda we ni betimi agi a obe fili bibia. Hey, eda.
O shata.
No, be sanka.
Yes.
Some girls are like mangoes.
Mangoes.
Yes, as you are waiting for them to get ripened. Some are eating them with salt.
Some are eating them with
salt.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
I heard Jenny pa. Jenny Bradgery. Bradgery TV as ya home. Mema obia or time won't how paper. Abua Bakubia, I see a friend Preco. A whole religion, Ichino, and so still I would do the Ekasi.
Abua Preco.
A whole religion. H is our one.
Yes,
still would do the Ekasi.
Which means Obi Tawa. And that's all me how. Oh, as a because they're part of Wakano. Yes.
Who sound quite chimpana. Now, when Obia Waware, or say uni a chimpana, it's not only a sin, but it's like you have stolen a bag without money.
Say, oh, your bar. Now, ne Bema, Wawari.
I won't say Niska.
I was saying Yenny. Echo Trimpana.
Oh,
not just saying your bonny pen away. Yeah, somebody.
Brager, I am a hard.
Okay.
But Brager, unim research be me who ya me shame. The number of girls are and then maybe promises some be worry or more worry or is enough to open a girls' school.
The number of girls.
Yeah.
After promising to marry them, I am they are enough.
Research calculating is enough to open a girls' school.
Now, boys and so on compare some why girls. How researching them, and I say, boys and so almost so catch a conversation about some wine, you know.
Yeah. But no, they can't be brave.
On the country, on the new school.
China, a country in East Asia. We are where?
Yeah.
Yeah. The most populated country in the world. Belgium, any of them. Capital town.
What's the What's the China capital here? What's the bed? Who can be there? But you know, not me had the food. And more on Scott! It's Beijing and now can announce the same. I said, who can say? And they are crying. Says, you'll be feeling right. Young granny. Now, Roger, you are somewhere see her. Say, Yachima be a chess on the day. And I'll say, a COVID-19 yadi. Or then change you. I address coronavirus. Yes. Christ me. China oppose for akwakoche no say enyama wo ye no etiamra. Wow. Yeah. Intino na chese de wo no. Ajeri krowe mensha dante da. Bema. Then Bema, a country Bema. Spelling am here. BURMA. Ana. Yeah. Yeah. And also Asia. And also yeah. Na asɛm esi wɔ hɔ coup d'etat bi kɔ so ɛna ɔmo kye wɔn a na ɔmo yɛ involve no ɛkɔkɔtu no na dia abani sesia no ɔmo yɛ demonstration pa kekas kyɛse esi kwan sɛ ɔnti so mbe release those leaders no ɛnya dia ekromu hɔ aposefo ho bɛtɔ wɔn sɛ ndeɛ okɔ demonstration kyekyerekye pa no ɔdene pa ɛna ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ hɔ. Brager unim Debbie Ayamika say in this generation say yanchre enchiri man say hard working is different from obia wo suit at the office area car your generation number feel say corruption is a cause. Oh yeah, a cause I see a steady until I saw mu black people would team up to buy an alcohol, but they will never team up to start a business. Black people will team up, yes, to buy alcohol, but they will never team up to start a business. A hard journey, papa. A hammer so say, Roger is hard and a hammer, papa. And even friends will be no crown. Usually. To say I ain't no moon say so a bemosica pass a day. On the 10 beers, so be no monsa create back or crowd where betoma. But it's gonna say no, so I can't say you. Now, Roger, my dear, what by ya wouldn't say Beme, you Niska, and children. Now, I quite him, ask your friend say you have a good news for him. Hey! Wouldn't say Bemano. Now, why wouldn't say when you what's your my friend say, baby, I have good news. I have good news. Where good news? How can that one be a good news? How can that one be a good news? I got it. The story now. Me sorry see. My mental bomb back on me. And Tony Kessie. And so. Tony Croa. Ye. So what babesra? Say ye pa. Say why besra me? Or bano babesra. Na se wo you know. Natural no say yes ke too oyi ene pant ni nyina bo ebu mu atwansa menware no o da bi se bia na ne ho na ya research no o pentem aboawa brother
research
I feel no be jeans here we na we are san trombo ase be party ni ade o ya ne simple ama ho no
research ni chere say those people
yeah
and do 2 months no money wajai
sir
yeah yeah Itia no. Gradually, Achimo now Cruna on your friends.
A very KGB.
Into the French Niba Cato says Javel Capel. Not just what to say. Yeah, betcha.
All right, this has got. Now, me had more Chivisha. Okay, who's with you 106.3 Adom FM? Dear Drew Swana, say. Yeah, be ma I irrigated sports. You know what I'm saying? Before that, for which you anymore, it's a new joint from my man, Dada Half Cool. And it features a Quaboy. They call this one Playboy. Playboy. Yes. So bad, and there's a message here that says, good afternoon, Jerry. My name is Becky of Sarah Foods and Trading Company. Sarah Foods and Trading Company, Tema Fishing Harbor. Please want to wish my lovely sister, Dinah Chum of Prentice, Ghana, a happy birthday. May the Almighty God bless her new age and grant her all her heart desire. Okay. Follow you everywhere. I don't follow you everywhere. Follow. How are you doing today? Please. It's my good friend's birthday. Her name is Rita. Wish her a happy birthday for me. May she live long and may God bless her and give her all that she needs in life. Amen. With your knee and chain. Please help me wish these two great pastors of Full Gospel Church International. First, Reverend Theophilus Mangisi. I hope I got the name right. The General Secretary of Full Gospel Church International. And the second one to Reverend Daniel Angmote, pastor in charge of the Gitchele branch of the Full Gospel Church International. My prayer for them is that God should give them fresh unction to function in their jurisdiction. Follow you everywhere. And a happy birthday going out to Ali Sowa, well known as Ariana of Caprice of Beye Atenka Media Village. Wishing you God's blessings and prosperity. And this one came in from our foreman. And a happy birthday to you. We've had a very big one, power to you. 21 dollars in the United States of America. Joe, happy birthday to you. May the mighty one bless you. Ishan Beba, I'm here sure a beba pa. Who be beyond from Umdada? Make me so far. And a happy birthday, a special one going out to you, Justina Ansa of Oboba FM. Happy birthday to you, sweet sister. Nyame unshawati na onto kwandem oma unyinche na onsan maw apumden kama pa. Enka normal cash no so mra mo. You know what I'm saying? Yes, cash na very necessary. Remember more pa amount. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy yourself and have a good one. All right, abusuan baby do know. Yem traso na yem fa Gator Sports amount. Now sana no ese mpenifo etimi ekasa as usual na fi ya traso ako yenim.
Well. Please, Gator Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Gator Sports. Papa. So listen to Gator Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't Sisi Chum. Na debia miti irrigated sports. There's no day minti irrigated because miti manage na me stress.
Nice one. Na ofa close na my.
Open program one dedication fast sports one. Tie irrigated sports or Adom 106.3 FM. The FM is John.
Good. Kwame Akwaba. Empunu to say. Say umini da hode. Ene akuya boachewa yi Adom birthday EBY. Yes, and EBY birthday. 10% ka to happy birthday man na me say the besi akwafa.
Birthday no about there na ya person to.
Say also ne ye cheme. Say ye cheme dia na say una de to. Okay. Eti ne 21
of dollars.
Na fe Justina Ansa. And na fe so EBY.
Aboba FM.
ABY.
Our own ABY.
ABY. And so edin birthday ne.
English man and some French mu na mo pano. It's how to me to the Chinese also. You have 4 languages that me to happy birthday wom. It mun choose to their mope.
Okay. They be say. They be come akoma no.
Just a title bro for it mean to Chinese mama.
Okay, you. Radmawu.
Now.
Okay.
Nen hong chong sung chung.
Kwame Debbie. We dey to Latin.
Oh, the hong chong sung chung so be. So the Chinese media for say because ni hong.
Oh, they pelate.
Ni hong chong sung chung.
Debbie.
I'm for the birthday now.
Okay, yeah. And I'm na me di birthday. O dey tomorrow.
In English na mama. Eti mu amudi ma woda nyina no. Ana mu ayenti mi amudi nyina. Ana mu amudi na nra. Atema ga wodi aka ho. Eti ha.
Na Naomi Aboaje ase eyi.
Onoso di ne birthday.
Ose Debbie, ose kojo poku da kon enso edi ne birthday ti onoso yam shiri man.
Monom ana ebe. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, everyone. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you now. Kofi Brefa. May God bless you now. May God bless you now. May God bless you now. Evangelist and Samuel say, hip, hip.
And then now, in fact, birthday new way said Kwame Atono. Mo amudi mu birthday na say mutimi de mu contribution ba. Because birthday we said the what said the what to need there. Omo amudi on birthday na so mutimi send them contribution.
Na say voice no ma clear na free. They say the voice in there. The odi minim dia say voice no ba me ko investigation. Na me say ayi bi na say voice no. Mina masa mo ya ye. Ko ma.
Ari Yesu.
Aku emprempren me no kasa itira togwe.
Yeah.
Ofezi.
What's the day?
Ogusu a oye press conference. Address eye eniema atorancham ato eye Accra House of Folk. Say team back up in the span of 4 days. Na coach ko, assistant coach so ko. Na and the crowd dey obiri abo akan ya me ya dey say eye driver wo twi e ba asem no na e ba no so I didn't even see that. Na me say oh obiri
Just say you so just crown. I didn't guess you go see was all so be. I have to run
now obi ebo anankasa no me no problem.
No be gina ha no.
Sa boy me no problem pa. Me no obi ebo e wo problem.
Or the intro so as
boy he person say me need your person che. Asim so no nkwa na take aswa. Obi ka kaswa sempe no bofu no aja. Ke so man ka kaswa sempe. O ka mi du kaswa yi ka kaswa dey. We are there. We are there.
Na obi o kaswa bi sika ba be free ho.
E dey asem kra ni.
O sika ba be ko.
This one ka kaswa asem. Ade susu obi anim se ehonye.
O kaswa me to dey na o
o jai obi anso nim se honye. O ka ade anya o kaswa so na ni bofu. O masa jai. We are there. Kaswa enkle.
O pesa de share kaswa.
Mama no kaswa no di agro mi no. O gba we ba kaswa no di agro. Every man every
Nobody agro.
O se I see o brother man no kaswa.
Yes man kaswa no di na agro. Entu so dey.
Na nobody agro kaswa ndi am fa ho.
Yes you funny face area mu. Yes wha no di na agro.
Me say, this logo guys go be nobody agro kaswa ndi am fa ho.
I never pay no ye news. Na me tie news na me bo break. Main road I am some parking main road. I just boku e dey na koso okro wa sei. Na ma me no so kasa o se e ma me ko fa no anyi me ma mienu ni nyina. Na tam onye fresh one ma me no o to police station be wa.
Money my that was a breaking news. The cocoa seller who has been selling for house of folk for say all talk.
Masa ye dia go say.
Yes, cocoa seller. Money my that was baby na Kenichi. Yes, ma me so to cocoa ni ma.
On to my house for you na on to cocoa bi.
So say mo support us obi eja.
Yes, see mu da.
Oh, radi Yesu.
E ti kwaku.
How's pa ni?
Sorry na my we here na ndra. We em dey so am ankasa wa ha.
Ya mi ni.
Papa no. Tamo all wrong kwara ya na ma me ne wan.
Se ma me no pure water rubber bi na osisa.
To no kwasisa.
To no sore so kwasisa. Kwabra bo ate so ton tumbrodo. To no aja kwabra bo ate wokon. Na so no so kwabra so ate esi akire.
Na ta oba kwara ni timi refuse.
So aka kire nkwara nse wa baby obeku. Unsa kwara so lokase me ko no osuru.
Eti wan say kuku so na say onyo mpe no jadi.
First one no o so ne da ba ko.
Pe.
E na odi akwara no e kotre obi nchi.
Ode kan ba ko no nyim yo.
Ana ode de koma obi oyibi.
Nti ode ni pa no na akwara na ehu so onyim.
Okay.
Nti eduru ba bi na ni pa no kotre hu se
kwara no hwanda me.
Funi ya na ye kese no o mo ko test no ma hu se onyim. No ka kire ma me se ma me oba na de ba na nyim. Ti o mu bisa akwara na nka.
Odi pa ne nyam.
Wanka. Wa wo awie. Ti se wono akiri ba no. Ana papa no so na dessert.
Kaso owie we no.
Owie ma me ode na ma me wie a.
Akani akaba.
Na wa fire. Nti wa fire ma me no maame nso nim ti de wa wo na chi ba no ana maame ne papa ne ya apere kakra no se ne o free o de nani a kire ye ka so akwana ne so
akwana nim anya ka so anu abai
no nuru
o me ho
wasi ho
nuru broadcasting wa nuru ka so ti oni akwana ko tra se wa fa kwara no so se ne yire no opi no pu
wi asense bi o adwe ho kra wonte ase
maame de onim se ne kunu ne ba no
abusua bi nim kra
de o ne be ma no wo no na kwara na o ya ba no ma no do mo konti oni de onim se
obi akọ
one ne ma na papa ne omote ti akwara no so ko maame no ko akwara papa ne be konto kwa sa
o pese o be stay
se onim
so be nya kwan no wa fa ayi afasidro no
afasidro na kwara no so pau onyim ye ti ho ne yenu no kwada na bisa no se papa
ene fro no
o family enyum ano awia ene enyumre
amiti ni nyina so o fa ba kwa no pa ba kwa enyumre se doctor dro
enti ba sa na ba
ni be tua ne ka popo
no se ma ne no kure kwabana bo ate papa kwabana bo ate no na me so ne me dai one me da ba ko pe eni baba bia na biu na me nyem ya ma wo no
eh da kwa no so timo sumo now what me anyem 9 months awo mo bi pia ma ne se da bi nkwalenti afutuo we di tete
enna debi o kwame enye se tie o aya na sa ayi empani for sin ayi for yi sort person mama no sa empani for no edi hu bi echichreshen kwala no mu enti they can't voice it out sa na ya na de akwa kwa senfonsa
I can talk to this man
senfonsa
even their mother
na no me so di hu ahye ni mu
nkwara nan ɛna papa no we grant container
I was watching it live on Facebook.
na wo hwɛ a areho akwada no ma wo no foforo no kra heat bia
ne honam nyina sai
kabra wa tinti morning
kabra wa tin no me de kwa kosi se wona so shaban
kabra wa tin wa beli no ese
because case se kwa ru ni sem kro sem kwa
covid nti ɛna kwabra nso se nyo no a nti die ne bebem
also onyo no nyem nkwara no na onye kwa tum so ni bia dada wa hu
onye ntum na wa onye ntum na mu die ne no su dia
ana court na be kire say die ne ho na betua
o say ne court be
because we scan o die ne scan ko na kios mo
court betimi ya
court betimi aye
court say
no aban betimi tie aban betimi afa kana me aye ne aye wie na bo no say yo no a
na this can one
o betini piga pa
ana aban nya sa
o ti piga do beti
sem kola na kasa dia animani ya aban ko ska so akra ska fo mo he kura mbetimi akofa kola no
asam na sika so o na so person dey sika so
nya ho na me te first
na broadcast ya ka so
broadcast se me ko do ka so me cross to
oh obadi
obadi ka so fo mo jim ho na krum ha do
se ye o che bi ho ya ka so afo che ana de o ka mo be she na mo pass ade asi to butu achi de o jim pa me che ka so
na se budumbura ge ya wo sa wuye
budumbura
me twene ba ka so akra mo se da bi se ka so ho
masa o ha ne sen
na me ha
ka so no papa dia
ka so
eni o pempe tu free way ka so emu ya bibia ya ka so ya kan so anso so da bi ade
ma me ka se mo chiro
when you want to song kwana kaswa yenna so oh and you defending masa yenna your properties bi o esuso e ba na ya bi ni aka ya no atu na me senti na me ntro no
Ghana Togo share so na se ho no ese Togo ana dia be se Ghana
oh masa jai
okay
ya say
e dey tina Togo o dey e ho tro sa Togo Ghana border so asem no e ho tro e ba fufuro
ma me nche wa die bi ka so na nkasa so woni ba bi e fro wo sa amanfrom a wo amutie me no
ka so amanfrom
e free amanfrom otra amanfrom
masa enye nne na wo ba be cheche wo be demarcation wa masa tie enye nne na wo be demarcation abe cheche kaswa asase ano
ono nye central region kaswa English amanfrom botiano Greater Accra
okay
enti sa asem kosi wona sa o twa ba kaso afo ho
ani o ntia se sa
mentia se sa
o ntia se ja ye
si kaso dia ye nya se
a o de me no ya
eni asem kra ni
e me kaso afo no waso
this wa dabi ena no kra no esi won fi kaso yes bibia na go ba be
ade posi no for abrante to sport is si kaso
ah isi o kaso
enti unti me nya chinye
akwa ba ku iso ankoya odwanya kotogo
obri wo afutuo bi a fotuom na ka se o mo ajo mo me na do wo mo nyai yentu ni pa for
our citizen vigilante for
sentia
a country on its own yentu bi for
kazo kusi obi o katwi je golo no karata kazo citizen vigilante
almighty kazo almighty kazo no man san ono oni central ono ni greater Grantie no wo no omani ji omo na mo so nipa bi ayira na ohunu a ko dia no papa 5:30 mo abeteto boot na chi ka na ewuram nyina ewuram
mene abaiwa bi edi nkomo na ensem bi okeka kire me no me kan radio so enye yie na me bo akire se na sa we na ni de ho abakwasem kra na ene sen sa na wo kire me se budumbura mo no sa ka mo no na wo kire me krofoi manfra foi e ba e bi na chese e be introduce to sa nem na say eh
hono yo Guinea for Gambia for sani aba bedu Liberia tu Liberia ko Nigeria mu nwa mo sani Nigeria for nie mo afase ho aba Benin for na wa hai tu mo ase de oba Ghana Togo for nzu ni
but you cry sorry we wadi mu denden ase we defend way
aso nya kwa mo
na no de we nya no mo fa no wan chero ni mo ba fo ko am akromado ko so sorry be drama be
o ba fo do be report go ba
na mo tro nya no a
ko metika so pa ta samso gampo bi di abra bi fi abrochire so how dey ai pa ko last stop
abe chiriko
oba mi am dry line no 2 year na homa no san dey tire pa ko last stop fire no the time before ko
ka so ade ko
oh David
kwa fu yo hwe je kwa ko
nipa bia bi o ka nipa bia asofo akɔnfo nipa bia o ye nipa
sorry azadi no wo ho papa so
boy ba ko ayi ya fe pampo so ka ya video bi bai
I kwam pop me
so fu bia na ne nan o ya young guy o ya golo mi asa na ba ko this wo jina say o fire obi ma video no bai chala ka so na tie kwam pop minimum pa na opa wa o ko fie no beduru ka so overhead na so no preach na man fo twere won chia me hwe din sam hey
ya kwa me
pampopu na oni ni na beti ya sorry ana wo se ne bra no o sika o menya bia na tilapia ne banku no di o beti no
so
bra no bia so be no ko fire no o jane
me ka sa sorry ne pa ko fire obi ni
o jane
kwa kuna me ka se to gba team ni ya ne dia se se me ka se ne dia ono na ne percentage enso e wo pa na oye centrofo enhiem se se atia nyina gusu a oye na esense ensama esisi na yen sheda anti bibia mfiri na no na ko ko bi no mu dia nya hwe ha se fo mbo obri abo afa temfrem ayi akuntajo waje brochim ko nyina gu o abekira nya hwe se has anim gu ase enti ana owa ha na kwaku na mi tie se Togo be ka se e bia team no wa ye free nkan kra ade ko e recordo but Togo ankasa ko se me sori ba ye no ankasa so akuntajo enti mi chechira se mi di swag se Togo so the team no eko water region kwaku me ya be shi ni ye pa ade just that would be the end of Accra House of Folk.
Yeah.
If you say
now, how can a team be called Accra House of Folk in Accra and then it's
you got to put just on fama no kan musu sem sa and no so no kasa be ba akodajo ka che Ghana for sa sem na o kan wopoa
kwaku
okay meet you
there be near kai o wo say team leader say Accra House of Folk
yes Accra House of Folk
na se ne wo when be dey na wo team e wo UK is a fair no betting down so today remember they no we call meeting case no aye
it is open so chese edu ho a ebetimi akoye voter House of
Folk wow somehow edi ya ogbo ya the House of Togo
then one say
dabi House of Oak ni the oak tree the standard dabi and they saw no Accra no betimi ayi afi ho on betimi ayi no voter so ho no be call the on betimi ayi no ho
House of Folk
dabi ho House of Folk what I say
no nanche kwaku no pay me call corporate na bishop so wa no say chief driver ba call ha no dem me yan say corporate yi fa bia to say na bishop dia and then you say has a year driver no bus driver no eso so the resignation letter to ojai nti bishop so apply for
kwaku me say
na dey me yan
bus driver dey twi abi ko twi ni free am nyiska
ama has sa bus no betimi atwi
na kwaku bus dey ahodi na atwi
masa sa bus ba ko no nika yi
dabi ni wan na ba no na mi ko twi na dia na mi ko twi
dabi on sa twi odu an ka
odu ari atwi bi
kwaku say tim kwa ko we say the kuta just mukra mazo akra to because Miss Mary resign
and aba no
hey the two Olympics and ntimi so say bi na beto house yi
anya sia wi
2 weeks ago ye no mbebo no me kan wa sempa say house die ye show mama crisis asim at the Facebook YouTube any me see ye share house e Olympics wo so asem ye kotoko me kan say ye share house ama crisis asim ampa ya show mama wa hwe to go aye press conference in the team they go.
I'm from Kobe. Very Togo we are the press conference. So we are million points no. Now
okay. About try obebam na adibi wa very important. Me fan of brofum na obi wa haide na obi famra atwi mu mai na very important na ina taking note of it na ya make date na yetimi ati bi na bebo an pa okay so yen sha say I say the whole world came to a standstill in the year 2020 because of an invisible virus. The world is not getting any better in the year 2021 because the virus is still hovering around our heads. Thankfully, a vaccine has been developed, but there are many myths and misconceptions around it. Are you ready for the vaccine? Is Ghana willing to take the vaccine? Make a date with Adom TV and Adom FM as we try to clear all doubts about the vaccine, with expert and experienced people in the health sector. It's on Thursday, the 25th of February, 2021, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. We bring you the COVID-19 vaccine conversation live on Adom TV and Adom FM, and then Adom Online and all our social media platforms. Adom TV, Wazoye, Adom FM, tough. Enti bono tough amai na yo.
Ni nyina ne se COVID-19 ya de ba ya na ba ewiase nyina ti twan ya medrubre bi fam woni efiegu. Obi ento. Obi nko obi ma, obi nko obi manso, obi atene mem. Obi abeti madwane afa na adwane afa. Ye de ne kakra ne nya nte se dro bi aba na. Sa dro no gye se ye wo. Na nipa bi nso ya mana ye hu se aduro ko we ahwe uti bete. Obi so ba ye ba fan sabe. Obi so ba wona amano kra no ba akuti ho ba akuti ni ho. Ebi nsa baba bi nsa ma. Wonim say Adom TV de wa de o ye nti no. Ho nkyerɛkyerɛ ne ho ne wo ho nyina ehuhu no ebra so. Say ye ne odi ho nkomo ne atwa ho fo ne nyina kyerɛ wo kama. Ma me date no. Da no ye ya wada.
Yes.
Ne mum boso me
25th February ya.
Odi fo boso me de to so de onunum. Ya, ye no bedi sa nkomo no. Mpanimfo abene. Ewo saa adura aba ye se ye be wo no mo na ebe transe. Ye no wadi ho nkomo nyina mo se wiase de. Bibia ba no obi akote da bi no aye mfoni no ato apete ei na mo wa na me wo obi na ma no achi ei na me wo obi na meti achi ei saa no mo ba ye ntima mo nsuro mo ntwen Adom TV wa dze oye nti no ye se febre busu na to so de onunum ye no nyina ye betrent TV no na me so bete ho ne nyina ye hwe na nim di fo kan ye tie bi ye hu sa mpapa ne ye wa ebebo ya na mo aye nti tam chuku bere no so a na won so ahwe bi.
All right.
Titia.
Okay.
Baby abefo kwa ne nyina ye be na
so obehwe na Adom TV so na obeti na Adom FM so na obehwe Adom Online ne ade ma anopa 8 ekopem efi no nwotwe kopem nundu
na kwaku
ye
asemu a oba de kan ye ne togbe ye ne je ho pa esanse menhwehwe mu ama ye je se togbe no oye kotokoni
abusu semse
oh yes
abusu semse ho na seka
dabi o tina se say no dabi ne kwakwa ne sen na che say eno no tie me ba o dabi tie me ba oh kwa me mami mdem kwa me mami mwao
o de boa no
it say na che say sa na omo pa hye de a na che say opani akoma ni wonti oya na wasa akire na na for that can say
na bia na djuma
kwa ku supporters ni tie o
ono
ko supporters ni tie
na de nya supporters de bi ka didua e ko men jia se otumfo house ni nti omra meje na de to bi ye kotokoni enwanwa enye nwanwa eti say wo sika mo kwaji mu na onim asere se mo wo mu
but onim say some movie e ba yi ekwan bi so wo hwe mu atimi say hasifoi when ho pa sa hwesi
wo ka pre o mu je 6000 kra ba ni pa se to wo ko ofasika mo kwaje mo ofasika ni sika ba yitimi no ya ne se o krobia ai kotoko de kotoko ni o se o ko voter about 50%
ko Chelsea obi dia o Chelsea team no obi dia
Chelsea asem ne
ya ka hasofo ka asem
asem na me
asem ne na me tell say enya dia bi enya se bi nsida abroche team se kese bebre ni pa dia ko mo arab no dia team bia yo bi dia
sanka to gbe baje kotoko ho na mpani na ne transfer si okay ne ba ko na won kran no ji na kotoko edi so ji e be mfie free shadu mi no wa de omu yi ti omu yi bi se se Razak kware san ba ko team no
already yesu
I listen coaches be for
e bi anya djuma Razak ya maso
na tu ayefo ya prekofo
onye ya de onye ti se Razak anya maso kran ne be kotoko no a se yenya ne san ba die ni aye team ni ye di ama wo nti
your list of coaches are the dia ni ato so say enko pim say nema be
una do sika beto una do sika be form
on the list no
enti
notable ones among them there
notable ones no me na so ya no wa have been person they will do ama ko ye
dia se say dia olidi pae Razak Abdurazak
kwa company for DBN to
oh no kana maka kire wo no
dia yan twan matogwe enwie
friends of Togbe ani yesi die penny
yesi friends of Togbe
yesi die penny on na nya ne sika
da be na mo create sa
you know so ogu house no mo friends
oh David ogu ha ka tim ya odia
house ku akotoko be bre o
Togbe na dia na obi dia na house ya obi dia Togbe dia o
na second name so mo bobo
I majority shareholder team ni nyane dia why majority shareholder
na maso
so team ni nyane dia to go team ni nyane dia
on na majority shareholder
but team ni nyane dia
okay the open we team no wa so
but team ni nyane dia let's clear that from the say team ni to go dia
na ya odia
ni to go dia ya odia
so ode ko who
majority shareholder
majority shareholder
what is sika so mu
it you on the case mpunu ka say share
me say one share kra na wo ma me share
now ma share ni mpunu
eh it's all the by case na nim no e do kasa no what the by case na nim o kasa
no weapon form against Accra House of Folk shall prosper
it will prosper
we there yeah
prosper just how kasa se wa che to go na
no be o on House of Folk here bia
na se to go peniye
na de team ye omo ye de na just obi peniye
no
team aye kama
say won say at resign here see your house what will be the team
oh e bin see that when to be your reforms into omo nko ne mfa from ra
kwaku ya ni abro
ya ni abre na say
akwa di team what dey
ade dumre because an koda to be ka kete no ye ko boy na ye yi na say ye mo bi nko
kwaku anya class of folk go to na me ba
okay to aso
mo de omo ye miracles ne dawson e wa ko mo ye bi o ho now also by no obesaki the whole team players no kofa kran
to gbin ya daje obesa
but when so there akoye technical and no nyina
say ya na to gbe na ade so na bi na adwuma say ya no plan because jum bi adwuma
kwaku nyame ho ebe ye atamfo ani betwo kwaku
atamfo ani betwo
oh
omo ani betwo
o ti sa
are ya fante
anu na say jesen
atamfo na ni betwo fante
onyame na dumti otamfo na ni betwo ayanyum busa we
omo kan two sa
nya two otamfo na ni beto
na no so two o ka two yunti
ade na shana no ntia
enye noa owa wase two owa odi ase mask wase two
abrantie
jambo otamfo yin ato ano na yin ato o do ase na ni two e dia be two
ayi heni anya two kwaku jero mbwati enche bia na beto dwa se eye ne kanchima dada woni na jai woni ni jai no anche bia no oba no efiri mu satam no na wuni anso ebo ne eye Bayern for ebo eye club world cup na ochen sapa no se dabi because me try ball entwa ye bi ndo obai ni na wie ba ni wie ye nche ye so ati ase oyo nipa kura wa kura no kana sama da so ye sama twentwa ye nyam kosetre ye eti wa jai bibia abotwi abaninchi abehwe eniama mu
okay
ababa no ho fankasa eni so se destet again o so no pa o Saturday kura mo Brazil o Saturday mo Brazil on Saturday we use no Brazil o Saturday kura mo Brazil just any poko jinja so and say we ya Tabrante na jadi bia we bia aba dan say we obi jano ofiri mu sa no a ba bia we suspect investigation no kakala found cause say bia obi on no 2 days
and especially ayana the circumstances leading to the breakup now
kwa ko ya na menya hwia ya mehwehwe sa investigative we me hwe TV no nko ana ya mehwe nipa bi o modi bone ne kwan ya fa so kwakire wo na me se bone bi ankofo di ni gan ha form mo di nje ya brochi anko munya ya kire
oh da
ni na true stories about
da yes
and yes and one
and sometimes it be one more utimi say a date way back but we can say a close case but on be investigate on ben kakra on be timi 3 years e dey study oni pa ko no mo suspect na till say on be say yes
kuma dey some investigation you do ana babu about 40 people before mu di free
and then
come here kunkum mai besin no not a single arrest
yentimi anchi
what is that e ma yo kumo krumo nyina besin ne there's no single person let them go krumo by say about plan kum ma
don't underestimate Obisa. Kwame, yamfa a special greetings Emma adwumayefo mo yes, Bethborough, Ghana. Special greetings going out to all the workers at Bethborough, Ghana, especially to Mr. Bright Esiama and then Sly. Special greetings from the irrigated team going out to you guys. Mo bodjuma mo yem hona mo bodjuma say Bethborough no so emuye o share offers ne omo odds ne ade na de kumi cry sa 400 series free bet no so atiase emu ye ntino mo nyere mo na mo adwuma na echi champa
ne joy fm fo akoy investigation wo kolebu na de dem bi esu so mo covid and omo ni covid check the same floor.
You don't mean it?
Sound investigation
COVID patient ne omo there other illness alcohol hospital no in the same ward.
Yeah.
Hey.
Kolebu.
Yeah, and sounds me sir.
Suspected COVID-19 patient share floor with others at Kolebu.
Ish.
Now voice be one voice in the main person voice answer because was a media ya memory to body tell that video putting phone to the sound no more dey actually. Now I'm go radio wom. Ya the chances say there when you COVID no be dey okoto no ehwan e den ehwan e na. Ti Ghana fo tie omuntie ni yie. Na nose mask no ne share den there so omun share. Chance eyewa ye nya baabi amfa wonto. Ni so betima kan nkramu a kire nkrafo a wotwoko ani new town.
Ka kire omu.
Agbemi COVID na show you. I show you. Agbemi baby abeda agbemi.
Ana ngabe kura me ye.
Oi.
Ke o feebulu no na COVID no okay wo te hospital.
Ole no ni jibulu.
Bulu
abemi esa kenyo.
Don't take out. Go yourself.
Allo ke okwo ejugba.
Ke o ejugba.
Ni ona come there ekwe.
Twa mi no ba wo.
Eko be.
Tema Accra Kofodia fe no fiano eko be. No oba wo jeme na ameba treatable.
Ochon jeme yi allo mini.
Jeme yi ayem masa be.
Okay.
Jeme eyi kwaku.
Jeme eyi chesa ayem masa be.
Yes, kwaku be kan nkremu de chese me call Empunano over the weekend. Me de mani ekwa se ampa se someone na do e kan omutia. Me se ebi mo ha brofo no ani twi na do so krom ha. Enti omonte de ya ka no.
Be wi mo gamo.
Amenfe ni bi basa.
Na kala also can titiri zaro.
Amenfe ni bi basa. I'm not targeting them, but they are not the only people who are my jam mutara.
Still you are bluff we.
Gano choke we number. It's me stress. Say say a yawa. To the stand to say obi e wonya bi no obi onya bi. E wo the same for. Try from one boa. Enti yan hwe hu yie.
Ene na aye bloody.
Na no smacks no. Yan hwe. Kwaku and lunch bi am kita. Yako picture bi am send ma wa ba.
Oba de menchwa no. Kwaku jare unim se enye COVID no nko ana sabre anu aye de am wiase nyina e boda wuro.
Yasi bolan so
yi.
Nye na earlier na me kan.
Ghana Health Service in Penny for the krata aba.
Enti om se yenye very careful pa.
Obian very enya didie no onoma asem. Bre wo munya didie no onoma asem. Timrantie say nane 4 days me almighty kaswa. Na MC mark ya wasoma mensa oye adwuma papa. Mampani sa ma ne traso a ebebo akaswa. Na anajo be se dumienu ko bo ahomache donko no mo se o mo fam.
Yes sport ni papa no wen che wen papa.
Pool.
Swimming pool.
Mo titim se da ma.
Ana fo ani adio. Ka ko nim se swimming pool no de atiene se oba ko pe obi no tomu a obi anya wo. Oba do nso a pool ni mo a. Ko tun so a eyesa ne hafa no oba na pool ni mo a. E ku create bi bia pool ni mo a. Na no nsa tamna COVID mai yesi a ko pool party bi.
Entina ma me mpesa pool party.
Ko group bi na me obi yesi ko pool party. Afemi se nso na nsa me pejam tika ka condom na den so ya ni. Obi a yedari nso no condom gugu nso na se me ko tumi ka me ba fie je se me ba no nso hia na me no me je se ko foma akomi yam ko se me nse da ni me dware se ma ba ma numu
oji bi gumu ani
ya me temu sa condom ye nu ye nsa de nso na
ara che sa won ya ro
na ma wi nkwara ma wi krofoma sa se ni me dware mi tom pa bi ba ma numu ko ni ba fie no be ni so hia ate that's a COVID man.
And you,
what you say?
And you cry.
It's because swimming pool. COVID time media. Now when you are doing. When you are doing.
Oh yes.
And you are doing.
Now, I'm calling you. I'm watching Nipa Mako 500 and I don't know.
Nipa, money no man.
Chitin shoe. And yeah, I'm on what sport crying. Now,
Why atete atonsuom?
Yes, baby, the area code. So
minimum.
I heard the beer from Central to Kaswa 50-50.
Minimum.
Area baby and why better area code.
Oh, under minimum.
What is about some gym nechi? Your boy on the giddy. Omoko is in a maba and ranting gym near more woman. Fedomuko drew. Hotels near dear poo on Omokoya. Hey,
why am I?
Diggy dinner pump on Burubigu. Almighty Kaswa.
And then Hong Kong.
Oh yeah, Obi catch them say Tessa no chi. Na shiro so na temu den.
Collegon West. Collegon.
Yeah, ade.
Ghana.
Only Collegon.
Also now why do you eti of course na ye den.
Say na madwom say ade na bre.
Charlie, in this time.
So I can't want you. What is say agro?
It is bad. It is bad. As almost very careful.
Normally, when you say my member come call the busi, I see the corner. I know your microphone be a man for. And you know, but the for down on we say no. We be a all show symptoms. Even though no then. I know no can and then I'm yarding.
But chama way.
Oh, dangerous.
Then you go. Na Kwakuma ya dwa fene wa America for chimem. Was he irrigated? Sabri odam pemna nani age we obi ade bia. On fene agro nti ose me mfa nto anim se ono so ye number 1 fan.
Number 1 in there omo doso irrigated number 1 for there. Obi ya number 1.
Dwa fene asan obi a ho.
Obi wakodi lunch e wa form da.
Lunch e wa form.
Oh yes. Opo school ah.
What post school? What could be lunch?
Mena oko mikro musa for food of hand.
Na na when you no wako.
Ebi ni fie.
Okay, je ko dey ato.
O de to waro comment ni ma.
Fatwa na menye no fast.
Wa wonni bi da de me pesa wo na wo nya feeling.
Wei. Oh, na se me bi da.
Wonni ni fie adi na fom.
Me ba he twen.
Ni fie adi na fom.
Madi ende na efie de ende na ewe bi na madi bi wonwura mu a eno de na ya sensen ho
na me afuom na odi no ana me ka yanya na edi lunch wafuom na asem na kwaku we na ohu ne saa no eye niema miensa pe
mra Facebook na mo hwe we no eye bayre na bayre no ya sensen ho
ya bi ye ni ana ade wafuom
ya papai bayre no ya bonakaw na ya twa body leaves plantain leaves no body haban ye twa ne de asefom na ye hwie bayre no akaw no e de aguso na apotoyewa eta no tapolino eximu
ayantoro makwa de nkate
apoto eta no ye twadua no saa
we de otumi say tankasa we de otumi say ayankasa na omode atwi makono pa heavy pa otumi say nyadoa ani ye de nkate atwim etu de aka ne say nka benya ho bi agusu na
muni sija so ye na ne na foto muni sija so ye na kwa kuna we ne ma miensa pe na ma sa aduane we ba so mimi fie sam na make ebi wo ho a na o maame oni aduane wo fie awia na o de beja mo ba no wadi aduane ni wo bush afa no okotu se man kanio wa no no tu ya o se momra na mo didi e wo fuom ebi won so o yo obi e ka se mo post ko na mo mra afuom a onko eti lamps ni yan se mo fie no bi eti e wo bush wo tu ko di lunch na no so agade aba
me experience no NTC be obi ka se bi Isaac Boache o se Jerry is too mama ba oni I can say be too it's too Jerry is mama ba too much don't know experience of hard lifestyle yes be media man kodi you bush but who say I say we ma catch order me grandfather me late grandfather no a big cocoa farm and in the middle of the cocoa farm no Oma ye dan wo ho.
Yes, cocoa fo kese. Na cocoa afo no
mfiti no. Yes, dan ho. Enti omo a ehwe afuo no so. Enum no omote. And one time me ne me papa.
You know papa one time there one time.
Ah, now so crowd ni.
Na kru bi one papa.
Ha nye kaso awo.
Nim ka kaso ase na.
Ye ko ho no.
Ka tete asem ho aka ni ye.
Ye ko no. Na me papa kura sardine ni ne bad na me nim de ye de kwa akoye. Me de sem di nachi. Tie pakika no ba bi ne yesi ye nate koya ne kodu eho enti workers no omo akotete kokko ni bi ni ade na no na ebinum so no aduane
hwesofo no
enti me hu ya say bode na haban bi sei no omo de be sef mo e na omo hwie kokko ase baye no
eguso
omo hwie eguso e na kontomre no fresh e na omo yan kontomre no ana sardine na ekura me papa na yede ko ohwehwe sardine na de gu so na et na se de me di ade ne fili wo ewura mu wo no ye ba fie na be ka kire ma me se hwe ade amakwa ko di wo ti me ka no biza me papa na so koko ase ba ye ko die wo na enti nya se my experience bi pa my experience bi
eduru ba bi na afuom ne ko no ye me den enti o me de lunch ne ko afuom akra still amenko enti ne ko upset unum upset school no secondary school wa bi ti ya fe bibi sope unum sope
said o modi amana ka
e ko dan ne edina de ko ha no
enti no e da no ma san afuom no de mo fa mo lunch ko bo gari ni bi ma gada ni
na da ho na ye me kuro mu se no ye afuom kwan no wa papa nti do mienu ya pon no bia wo ko hwire bedu wan ko hwire bedu abekọ monsa ana ahanta
uti ni ko bi ka se wa
enti monsa bi so asu akwasi wo ya na ga se mo pon amomra na de wo pon a men hwi ni fie
bi enu wa
wo se wo pon a wo ko wo ba ko na ja
ya so yan kwale ye mu ska o
na bi de ni ska
baba abene ya kono se to bua ya kono papa o hwe se de go pa ti de ye
na kono se me de ya na yem de ne abetwafo de no mfufuo no
ai
abetwafo fufuo de jai
du twafo zafo kaka ada flesi fufuo
nkwan na wo ho no kusie mu ano o mfa ni anyo na basa na twetwem be 5 no de gum
Charlie
nkankum kakra fra
dali bi na yo
nkankum kra den matidi na
nkankum ye emre bi ano as a chief emre
efifi
enye mpempran
so ho mpempran de ya dofo no
gos munum e na menim domo
de say
domo
nkankum no ne sase no de ase edua bi da ba bi acha na efifi ankete
nkankum no efifi osie so adua bi ani ho
ano ye sibre
eye ya pon why
oh na asana ba
ya think na han ye different rice
emio de ko bi ma ayi sabia anyama bebre wo so be
okay tie ansana je ko be kan watum no menka we ntum sesi ana me pa cho bet bowl na ye kan wasem no enei omo no mo wakwanya na watimi abet na wadisika tetri de kama pa na de omu no se ho de no odds no doso and now offers bebre ya betimi secure winnings no so before the final whistle and now sign what cash out option etachiri eka ho etiko betborrow.com.gh/promotions today now wetimi anya amazing offers ibi now also wetimi atwabie di member refi say betborrow Ghana amount up to 400 Ghana cedis in free bet yeah no so wetimi atwa asan adie. Sports is our passion, betting is our sport. Now, oh yeah, now why responsibly? 18 and patrol, share and I want to bet TB. In boost about measure. Police in the drone, papa. And also near Buana, Pempima won't you put and then no kutia, dear no. I shan't a brand pan. Now, a timia quantia at what would you a bibiana then. Nothing. Yarabia hinta won't you put your baby crowd anymore. What shall say so? No. A young boost about measure, police in the drone, and no share. Akutia saya when in nephew system na wado Kings Walk Herbal Echoes Pharmacy with Dama Pharmacy I feel alternative and dependable about shops across the country. Health Alert Shop yeah also in Jos and I feel call Little George Health Shop and also Community 5 Tema Ubenye Binyesa Afre 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496 na dudu bi onye bia mfansomo and then so there open drink papa de atwanimu a royal drinks and naba royal apple, royal cola, royal orange and a free royal cocktail. Win any the perfect flavors now Winyano. Go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy royal drinks in so many flavors. Royal drinks also you go like them. They are available in a shop near you at just 2 cedis 50 pesos. We are another quality product Efikasa Precon Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Open the door for 0262 315 215 and our 0272 133 373. Near just you go. I ready. Katum near Katum.
And it's as a researcher, no one and a dome. Now, me share and yama be any so now. My shadow culture inventions be brave and a bra. It take a number of years. It take 50 million users. Okay, 50 million users.
Okay, so number of years it took each product to gain 50 million users. Number of years.
Airlines.
Airlines there no. 68 years. And then boys see obie ne an account kakra bi a or follow
kwaku ya ba ho ana cars ye twi nyina
cars ye twi
it take 62 years
62 years
so many
million users ever
so many years
people talk bra one kasa bra Facebook on be twen see ya bra Adom 106.3 on Facebook and check it out
I say ufa telephone
and of telephone and also take 50 solid years
ansana enya and a TV ya hwe kunkum bagia bagia ni nyina no 22 years ansana enya 50
million users
Yamna computers. I know it take 14 years.
14 years.
That's a computer that buy the na
computer and then amount for pentem.
I say internet in general no it take 7 years.
That's and the encha ya cry we.
And on Facebook it take 3 years. Na ya ka pon haba. Me no metrics dem. Obi a woni pon haba.
How dey ajagu.
Oh, no, 19 days.
Just I want the days, but 19 days. 19 days. What you say? What you say? Naturally, nipa ye gaman for
3 weeks. Now we have 50 million liters.
Hey, look at the number of years. It taking for airlines 68 solid years.
Exactly.
And some are 50 million users.
Yes.
But for the Pornhub. And only the 19 days, but no more than 50 million users. I can afford those who go.
I can't be any home, sir. It is a doesn't be any to
what do you say business? You are very careful.
I want what did you have to power? Hey,
first come on, cousin 19 years old. Hey, 19.
I took 19 days.
You are here, Don't have your yeke. So for hobby.
Oh yeah.
Imam for.
Oh yeah.
Elders for hobby.
President for hobby. Business ministers for hobby.
Bagu na story am dey story akono. Eye abayu bi oni na ba ma ware 2021 ya. Na sa omu mienu nyina no je ko Peter no afa to so. Bride ne groom no. Kwaku omu yan kwada mo class 2 no ne ye play. I was sorry. I was school. Na play ni mu no na omo ya wafo. And na 2021 omo ware ankasa. As husband and wife.
Yeah, etaisi. Madam Fubi so omo kola abrim. Omo ye nafofo won kola abrim. Na omo ye eya na ono na oye ne
okay.
Ti I say no to place oye ne. Eno ne na musa obi afa ne ba bi omo hu bi until they met at uni.
Oh,
the uni no mo san be share na one way one.
Omo play the bam.
It one way on we na. Omo graduate you no why. Yeah.
Na Gogu.
Do you want any childhood friend pa na?
Sa pon ha bia ye kan ho say. Wo de ye kan ya ho pa sesi a ye nka say video bia leak.
Na obi ye bo a edeja edaso.
Edaso sesi a.
Wait, be chi akwohwe sesi a.
Go the other side.
And never mama said 19 days no. We just have using. Go the other. We don't know on can send me something that. On can say oh says tape.
Mama.
Go the other side. So what Sanifa Korea ya ko boss fia oh
na what I share various groups are also.
Yeah.
What the motivational idea be to her. And now the Bible quotation be at be at the hey, but idea be sex related. You see the comments now start. All right, that be so now they can hear from watch now. Your first day you want Emma Nokia and they or they Android phones papa abedwa so ye wo Nokia 1.3 Nokia 2.4 now you only 32 gig and afei ye 64 gig and so available ma on count there ni nyina no ya man more megapixels e be abenya beautiful pictures and videos and afei so long lasting batteries as you already know. It's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any other apps not perfectly well. On sa account there when you bet you pa when you phone shop be across the country now also pay Nokia Android phones will be. And they will do a called traffic lighter. Georgia phones, Mrs. Obey or fine. Nokia, it just keeps getting better. As they do a young farmer Go TV, and they fantastic offer. and I will enjoy if you say be akopim the 31st of March ni nyina mu ne say na month special discount pa 60 Ghana cedis now AJL Go TV Max not just when him now chrono or enjoy mouth-watering dramas on Rock GH African Magic when you spicy hot telenovelas from Star Life now for international series papa bi edwa good amount balance sports no so dey any guy sports channels na action in ebe yo dia no face no action movies blockbuster movies papa bi ni na so dwagu movie channels ahodo no na mo franso entertainment papa sensu de sweet kiddie channels ahodo no enyina eso a eno so betimi abo ayi pa nti bomode a ema onsa enka de betimi connect our bro use my Go TV app and as a pay by the agent and I betimi send SMS they call 1731 na ya sort you out Go TV love it eno eho enchim kakra ya ewo eno no tia na abomode na wa hye no so de aman uguso awutie 106.3 Adom FM Ghana's #1 radio station ene de ewo mu no se as I said utimi bomode ema onsa eka the new Samsung Galaxy S21 series EB na kwan so betimi anya achede e free mu and say obetimi anya free phone cover afi Galaxy Buds Pro or Live and also ebetimi aye odia and okoda nche the most talked about Galaxy Smart Tag free screen replacement for now from accidental damage and also betimi aye odia ne achede pi na etata chiri tima honya ha na eje Samsung Galaxy S21 series mu bia na wetimi say yes phone ya to your boss a building a camera pa to embrace the future with 5G and its revolutionary camera with up to 108 megapixels of super high resolution. Yeah, no, a capture unforgettable moments. I would want to Tiana Washan Susa. Gift must be claimed on Samsung members. Tiano Sumema rent free terms and conditions apply. And also Esha Wankona. All right, yeah, now I'll trust Aquanim na the Akabiano Yakoswa Edia Sumo Ugusu Awuti 106.3 Adom FM. Now quickly yamfa and Chiasun Queen in Trimisia na fi ntwa U10 ba ye de aka no atoa so. Also happy birthday Uncle Emma Efia Nyameche of Ga East Municipal Assembly Abokobi. And then happy birthday also going out to Godiva Mami Ya Mante. Godiva Mami Ya Mante. A student or UCC. Your mom Christiana Adams wishes you her prayers and she's praying that God will bless you abundantly in every aspect of your life as you celebrate your birthday today. Enjoy. Na ne kura mu no we say so or say please wish Calista Gladys Bludo Gag is God no better than God and that's okay so Gag mean can they Gag Blessed Home Preparatory School. A happy birthday for me. She's 10 years old today. I wish for her favor and excellence in everything she does from your mom and dad. Okay, iti Calista Gladys Bludo Gag Blessed Home Preparatory School. I'm sure say God bless home anyway. Ebiana school needing so no. The most important thing here is you are celebrating your birthday. So a happy birthday to you and may the good Lord bless you. All right. If you want to na fi ba yen kan dia kan patron France kan radio no sister Sandy be a guy na kwa ne ba.
Zabanana Obia Guso Kanwasem Nokia new Android smartphones email more megapixels, more memory, and more pictures. Ni videos pop baby. Phones here fast. So browse Woko Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and I will streaming video. Umi aswa nedem. Nokia batteries here. We are singing a D1 dance you. What charge ya? A Jiraso is a Jiraso. When you budget new Nokia Android smartphones in Opa. And you Nokia 3.4 with 64 gig memory. and our Nokia 2.4. They were 32 gig memory and our 64 gig memory. Nokia 2.4 were 30 megapixel back camera, and 5 megapixel front camera. There were 4,500 milliamp battery, 6.5-inch screen. There were Android 10. What did you upgrade? Called Android 11. To Nokia phone ya were full show BI bell.
You be Go TV Lite, Value or Plus subscriber? Time it rule. So be unlock it to me. I want with TV no more. Upgrade the Go TV Max in the year. Nenyano at a discounted price, 60 Ghana cedis pay. You will enjoy over 50 local and international channels for less. No darling cry. Local series, telenovelas, blockbusters, sports, any kids channels pop baby. Make you stay connected via my Go TV app and any pay-by-the agent near you. Now enjoy maximum entertainment with Go TV Max for less. Offer day from 14th January to 31st March 2021. T&C supply. Go TV. Love it.
Charlie, with Betboro Ghana, everything not double oh. Betboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cashback in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Betboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
Salute! Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huadeng. Refuse to grow, and your offense swabek. And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready Pediamus Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Say, dear, a month for the Duanwa, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance say, and Yarwa Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing in no, a boy who buy every home. And now Pa, Omuan Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kashi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form friend 0246 20 84 96. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadian Cratry, Maja to Musay.
Yenso kwanso dwumedie hia mo man bia nkanko Ghana eko wiase na di wiase so ba Ghana Shippers Authority ani so ade huno ne se ye bebuo nso so adwadifo ewo how bia wonam mu efri no ma ayra dia seye sika yaje wa emfa kwanso ene hawa hudo pi ye nya daje tren so so adwadifo eno ma eko se de be ya wo beti ase ye ni so ade huno ne se ye besom ni asom sompa Ghana Shippers Authority ewo Ghana Shippers House Ridge Accra Gapoha Towers Tema NCA Building 4th Gardens Echupe Okumas Takrade Shippers Center Takrade Yamusa Building Sansuna Gumbihini Tamale Yewo Complaints Unit Ewo Elibu Paga Aflau Boda Sansuna Kutuka Wimshe Jinabia Ena Takutel Takrade Fred 0302 666915 Anayeto free number 080030030055.
Ghana Shippers Authority, providing shipping solutions.
Valentine season way 14 in number yedi way or drop no bia was Samsung but Galaxy A12 memory home pre no free 64GB kosi 128GB and your 14 cedis pay free summer year kosi 28 February so Galaxy A12 64GB for 14 cedis peso so nenya Galaxy A12 128GB ane utin year pa ye peja internal memory no every 64GB ako 128GB netia 14 Ghana cedis pay I say usimi we die e your don kwa was Samsung now lucky number no e 14 ko je with Samsung Galaxy A12 ene year ya more refi na je double memory e 14 cedis pay e so kakra wo ho.
Give us pay capsules. A memory. Manum bia ye benamua. Kani metutu ya na minkuma bo asese de. Betu esa kum menia G. Give us pay capsules. Give it to me, baby. Give us core capsules so e. E mane meme nyina akoko yade. Sisi yade amama nya yem timotete wo mo no. Yedro no no. Manum bi amama de me ho. Give us core capsules. Mesisi mo ye din. Give us core capsules. I give it to you, baby. You give it to me. Oh, yeah. Hey. Hey, give us in no. A man need your bebusiamu papa. Na bema ka give us P capsules. And need give us core capsules bomunum dia. Na any jemmy ahwadeno. Wow, Bruno. Give us P capsules. And men what if you do what you do cronkwan efa. Give us core capsules. A pay for a batter one more menu for one kwada win if you do me nunka ho. E wo drugstore beer motifon ko give us herbal center. Teshi mobile. And na Teshi Adriami. Phone numbers 0543 222 470 and 050 68
Hey, me network mafia me. I was me the mobile money. See me with our workers car. So charges some 380 cedis.
We send this can go charges no. Wait there cement 10 bags so. Me atie. So we be move work Vodafone cash and ka we be service ka bebre.
Vodafone cash. Me say me network need there.
Tie. We send this ka was our network no so no. Yet we send this ka free with network no so akwa network foforo no. And no so yet na mum tie asem dead pa. We send this ka Vodafone cash swa e free. We send this ka free Vodafone cash. I got network bia swa and so ye free. Masa into work catcher. What that so ye then was our network no so. Move bra Vodafone cash say
hey masa you chip not to ball musisi a.
I know say there. We send this ka Vodafone cash so I got network bia swa e free. Send this ka do bia and prend do bia con network bia so free. Dial *110# say in send this ka.
The future is exciting. Ready? Valentine season way 14 in number yedi way or drop no bia or Samsung. But Galaxy A12 memory home pre no 364GB kosi 128GB. Aya 14 cedis pay. Free summer year kosi 28 February. So Galaxy A12 64GB for 14 cedis peso so. Nenya Galaxy A12 128GB. Ane utin year pa. Ye peja internal memory no every 64GB. Ako 128GB. Netia 14 Ghana cedis pay. I say, usimi we die. Your don kwa was Samsung. Now lucky number no. 14. Kwaje with Samsung Galaxy A12 and ya. Ya more infinite with double memory. 14 cedis pay. And she say kakra wo ho.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jeff Justice on Adom 106.
And that's a new joint from Uncle Pat Thomas. Yes, the good old Pat Thomas, evergreen Pat Thomas. And it features Kwame Eugene. And they call this one Time Will Tell. Oh yes, time will definitely tell. enti akonya ne bana ubetwa no wadi a no watwa no wadi preko because Betway dia utwa ubedi unya twa nko a ubedi what I say nene di abakra say ye hu say enye football ne nko a ne mum no ye wo other sporting activities p na man for interest wo mo nti ne introduce p na dia buy platform no eso so now from football to roulette to e-sport to horse racing in now betting on, and when you win you get paid instantly via mobile money or EFT to your bank. Visit www.betway.com to play today. Remember to bet responsibly, no under 18. Betway, for the love of the game, regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. If you waste time, I feel baby I drew so no. I drew say me ama de nyina. Sister Sandy be a guy. What's not say? Na fi ye dwagumo. Ene e fela. Ne de asori so boko ne kufi akoda. Ene obi ani asem. Because yeah no yempe ho asem. It's fela time.
Yep, mic check 1 2.
Hello.
Hi boo, how you doing?
Sister Sandy be a guy.
You know I told you one
Charlie,
of the English.
I feel your dress, you know.
What is it? You do?
Yeah, I feel the colors, you know.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
They saying I support to call Hasselfoot. I'm like, nah.
Some sort of rainbow colors, you know what I'm saying?
I wore before Hasselfoot.
Oh yeah.
Hasselfoot can go. And I can stay. You know what I'm saying?
I got you.
But I really want to do this real quick before I switch to English.
Okay.
So I got a call from Menchia Palace.
You mean you got a call from Menchia Palace?
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
One of the key personalities there.
Yeah, over there in Menchia. Okay.
No, Nana Kusi.
Nana, yes, sir. Nana, it's Nana Onkaso. Nana, yada was say Ubutu Menchia Palace. Na utie dani.
Nana Kusi.
Nana Kusi adase. I from one PC now I can was not as out to say Nana Nedi and
before I switch to English quickly, let me switch back to Tree.
Okay.
It's my main country.
Okay.
Jawo boy Juma. My monster and why Papa Bill's name Jerry Mo boy because you know, sir, not to disrespect anybody.
Okay.
But some people need trend. They need celebrities to trend their show.
Yeah.
And Ghana afford your money out to her. I share who say. Oh, Nubia, who should have to train for baby science. And so I know what I. It's what one I go out there. No, we don't do that.
No.
But you still holding it.
You know,
and
I many producers net now say, and not now. From a very long time.
Okay.
A Cassium say.
Okay.
I want to look out to the good stuff in people.
Okay.
If yenya kwenya na, let's use the radio to help promote people.
Okay.
Not to bring people down.
Yeah.
And sometimes for the numbers,
okay.
Be celeb be in interview, and then there's some negative stuff about the person, and you want to bring that one out. Now, and the most talked about now. What a trendy or baby, but then after the trend, what?
So you're motivated.
If me, I look at the good side of the person now. Why don't you promote that? So that's what I want.
Wow,
Until me Obama shows why I am not those negative vibes in there. I don't like it. What I say.
So this is what we call the J style.
That's the J style, you know what I mean? Positivity, good vibes only. Good vibes only. That's what we stand for, yeah.
It's your phone, so I say, so you shambo.
Yeah.
Now they be Ofie Kwanso. In fact, one more flower you might create name a show so many. It's money you win allow be because many other pie. Lovely. So yeah, We bring them the English
Wednesdays
now.
Okay, so now we're gonna do English on Wednesdays. No more on Thursdays, yeah?
Nah, I'm not around.
I got you.
So I create it. So I'm playing back to Wednesday. I create it.
Okay.
I created it.
Yeah.
I create it.
Yeah, you create what?
I create it. So I'm taking it back to Wednesday.
All right.
Oh, you knew why it is Wednesday. So,
oh yeah.
So bro, you gotta open the phone line.
Most definitely.
Have you heard?
So we should hit the phone lines now, yeah?
Yeah, man.
All right, guys, let's do this. 0302-216-561. 0302-216-562. Give us a call now. If there's any issue out there that you've heard but you don't have that much feel about it and you want us to get into it for you, we're gonna do that for you right now. So let's go. Let's hit the phone lines. Let's hit the phone lines. Bill's way.
Papa Bill.
Yes. Calls.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Bring in the calls. Bring in the calls now.
Here.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey, hello. What is that happening on your line? Hello. Yes, good evening. No. You gotta speak English. No apom to say.
No, please, you don't do apom to say on Wednesdays.
Okay, so what's the name?
My name is Jack.
Your name is what? Oh, come on, man. Charlie, let's pick the next caller because we're having some sort of difficulties.
You know what the girls told me?
Which girls?
The girls at the maker. I told you about Lizzie.
Where's she?
She's not around.
I need to see that girl.
You know, Lizzie is your number one fan. The whole
I need to see that girl.
She's short and proof.
I need to see her and give her a hug. You know what I'm saying?
When you speak English, like you sound, I'm like, yo. If not for COVID, by now Jay would have been international ambassador for traveling and tours.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good evening.
Evening, Justice here.
Yo, what's your name?
My name is Princess Golightly.
Hey, where are you calling from?
What's her name?
Coco Memle.
Hey, Coco Memle. Close to
Heavy do
Choba.
So you are here?
Yes. I got you.
You are here, no. You want to slay like you calling from.
You know what? I'm feeling you. You know.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm feeling the rap. You know, I'm feeling what you put in the studio.
I got you.
You know what? I studied a guy this time. I'm feeling no.
All right.
She's too much.
All right. So special greetings to the Golightly family, yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
All right. Charlie.
Let's collect our hands.
This one.
Let us collect our hands.
Next caller. Hello. Ish.
Wow.
Good evening.
Evening.
Yeah, what's your name? Where are you calling from?
My name is Delali.
Your name is Delali.
Yes.
Delali, how old are you?
I'm 8.
You are what?
9 years.
You are 9 years. And who is screaming at the background? Is that your brother?
My brother.
And how old is your brother? How old is your brother?
9 years.
Your brother too is 9. Are you twins?
Lower your radio, okay?
No, it's not the radio. It's the brother who is disturbing. Hey. Okay, so how old is your brother?
1 year.
Your brother is 1.
Yes.
Oh, and you are 9. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So, why did you call us? Tell us why you called.
What do you want to tell us?
Hello. Yes, your brother is crying. Next time I will sing a lullaby for your brother. So you should. No, but you know, I was trying to find out like who gave her the phone to call, or is it she's calling from her own phone, or the mom called for her, or the father called for her, or what?
Maybe the mom called.
Anyways, let's pick our next caller. Hello. Yes. Good evening.
Fine, how are you?
I'm good, bro. Yourself?
I'm so fine.
Okay, where you calling from?
I come from Ofie.
Hey, okay,
Ofie.
Yeah.
Okay, so go on. We're listening to you.
Yeah, my name is Erika Shegbe.
Okay.
So you, what is your mother's name? I don't know your mother's name.
My mother's name?
What do you need?
Yeah, every day you come radio talking, so you come on job. I know, I will find your mother's name and your sister's name.
Auntie Aggie.
You want my mom's name and my sister's name?
Yeah.
But that one too. What would that do to you?
We don't tire.
No, I don't know your sister. I know you. I know you every time you come out of
Jerry is doing the job. And you gotta know Jerry.
Okay, I don't have one. I have two sisters. So which of them do you want to know?
Do I like you in matter? No, yeah.
The one I like in matter. My sisters, I love them both.
No, it's not you. One will make your friend.
No. My sisters, I'm cool with the two of them.
It's true. No.
Hey,
you don't have any.
Charlie, this is serious. No, but this is too strange. Me no,
What's that, man? What's that? We're not accepting this, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, no.
And it seems I'm best man saying Wednesday English have to be accepted. Jerry can't stop laughing. Of course, every Wednesday when you call, you're going to speak English. But Jerry,
sure, yeah.
I'm sure he must be a Busiapenny that you don't know.
Well.
He must be a Busiapenny that you don't know.
Maybe.
Because
just
how
maybe.
Can you tell me I love my sister one
yeah. It's some way.
Since my English is going low battery now, so I gotta get off. Because if the English cuts right now, it will go off. So there.
All right, you go on and have a wonderful evening.
Yeah, no end yet.
Oh goodness. So that was Sister Sandy be a guy. So that's what we're gonna do on Wednesdays. Now we're not gonna speak English on Thursdays anymore. It's on Wednesdays now, yeah.
More control. Small boy.
Yeah, easy.
Already into is that top artist of the year. Artist of the year. On the ninth time, my boys to the show, but at some school they got the world bang do. Fella. ASEM with the fella.
I feel baby I do fast like I say am I a proud sponsor storm boy am I yet fella and no a Vodafone a patch of Vodafone say and can't show say say the abano very simple and they say we use Vodafone cash now they send this car ema obi Vodafone cash so a free untiashe sound so and
make front
we use Vodafone cash now they send this car at the mall be away
I1 Stone Boy trick
obi or any other network be so
love affair
and also a free untiashe it's in patch men waste sika away other networks no so
record
our brown send sika dia mobile jo charges be bring near there our brown bit me a free amount on Vodafone
but the make
it in patch dial star 110 hash cc na send the cash for free ready that's what it is. Show mama. Look at that, yeah.
The way she moving back, I done lost her.
Tango, good and poco. Oh no, tango, good and poco.
Good and poco. Oh no,
anyway, and come out. Goodies. It's your birthday. Happy birthday going out to you, Goodies. Of Goodies Music Production. Charlie, I'm on for Bayer Jumeja 10 times. But the Goodies Music Production. I say yes. I've been. Happy birthday to you, boss. May God bless you. And special greetings going out to you. Sandy Asiedu aka Kwabna Jollof aka Taste Guru Joe Bibi Aboko, I know you love this one. And you will soon come on Nana Romeo I Cry FM, I know you also love this one. And also goes out to Nana Bainu, yes, you also love this one. Might be kind of person anyway. Yeah, Christiana Ayoko. My Denmark burger. Currently in Ghana. I know you love this one too. Enjoy, yeah? Let's go back and take it one more time. Wish.
with a poco. Oh no no, Andoro, with a poco. Fine poco, with a poco. Oh no no, fine poco, with a poco. Chale, EPQ.
Joanna.
I said I got you to my shot, oh Bana. You like it? Up, oh shit, shy. Love you, baby, oh Maria. Delight. I'm gonna one of a kind.
Abuja, you found NCR check out time already. Yep. Time to bounce out of here and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 FM. Of course, Ghana's #1 radio station. It's been nice coming your way with the Wednesday's edition of your own show, Ofie Kwanso. Yami sure I'm more spending time with us. It's almost a human talk. Me say mama yenzu yenye. As they do come out kwame obo they dey bizu come obri ebo afenten frem. And on so be jemu for irrigated sports. And of course to my girl sister Sandy be a guy. Abusian friend me Jerry Justice as always. Assembly about ko plawushi onua na wachia no. Na wasre atre no. Isan say we are sim nipa and seshe. Thanks so much for your time with us and do have a great evening.